Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to share with you guys about my top 5 cooking channel recommendations in India. Time to test your cooking skills in this lockdown period. Starting off with number 5, Hebbas Kitchen. This is no nonsense cooking channel for vegetarians. Videos will be neat, short and crisp. You don't get audio and all videos will be mostly under 4 minutes. Number 4 is Kabhitas Kitchen, which is Hindi channel and very popular around North India. Known for family-friendly recipes and hugely admired by many YouTubers as well, currently cruising at 10.3 million subscribers, which speaks volumes about reliability. Number 3 is Vahchef, which is English channel, very popular around southern Indians settled abroad. Mr. Sanjay also got Telugu channel named Vareva. He comes up with useful recipes every time and it is highly recommended. Number 2 is Wish My Food. This is a Telugu channel run by Teja Parchuri. I personally admire his presentation skills, the tips he gives, and he got one of the best voices in the food industry. So highly recommended for Telugu people. Here is a pro tip. Don't watch his videos when you are very hungry. He is capable of making you crave for the food. Number 1 is Village Cooking channel. This one is Tamil channel. If you are planning for cooking in huge quantities, this is the go-to channel. I admire the vibe of this channel, very raw, very passionate bunch of people. They follow a healthy and old school methods of cooking techniques, purely justifying the name of their channel, and it is highly recommended as well. Hope you like this video, and if you like it, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Also press that bell icon so that you'll get instant notifications whenever I'm online. Thank you so much for watching.